Is Africa opening for business? We have all read the studies and new article recently that have declared Africa the new investment destination. Economists in the world and at the bank are optimistic, although one has to recognize that the picture is still complex. Yes, we are seeing a significant upturn, but it's still early days. And what is true for some African countries does not yet hold for others. Great strides have been made in Africa towards political stability, economic stability, and now many governments are focusing on the microeconomic and regulatory reforms needed for a good investment climate, which will attract investors, resulting in strong economic growth, and ladies and gentlemen, resulting in more job creations, which is what Africa needs today. But while some countries are strong reformers and performers, others have only recently started reforming, and some are yet to join the momentum. IFC is the largest global development institution focused on private sector in developing countries. And we're not just saying this, and we're not only saying that things are going well. We're putting our own capital in Africa's future. Our performance in Africa over the past few years has been extremely strong. In our latest financial year, ended in June, IFC has invested $2.4 billion in projects across Sub-Saharan Africa, up from $1.8 billion the previous year, up from $400 million in 2004. So a six-fold increase in 6 years only. By way of comparison, IFC only surpassed $1 billion in annual investment in Africa for the first time in 2007, and in 2010, we already reached twice as much. Alongside of IFC's own capital, last year, we were also able to mobilize $1.1 billion for the continent. We have found many solid investment opportunities in Africa. And ladies and gentlemen, for us, Africa is one of the top most profitable regions in our portfolio. Africa is, for us, a key region. So for us, the question is no longer to invest in Africa, but rather where and how. I really look forward to hearing from you about your experience and your interest in our region.
Doing business in Africa, you can't afford to be without Africa Investor.